welcome back to the channel. My first day out this week, but I had ready not to be able to get out on the bike. Even just putting on my gear just makes me feel 100% better. Because sure, look, it's the joys of winter, and then winter of making YouTube videos as well, so fun times, as they say. I don't know why I done it in Dutch accent, but anyway, away we go. So I just came out to help one of the lads put a TV on his wall, so good excuse to get out on the bike straight after work, ready to go. Here comes the winter sun, my old friend. Today is actually Christmas Day with the students, so in Temperance Hall in there we're like a war zone later on, I'd say. Not that to be fighting or anything like that, but we all on the sauce all day, so we just mental. Enjoy. Happy Christmas Day, studentos. But yeah, they're getting out on the bike is some pain when you can't get out. And like that as well, there's loads of people who can get out far more experienced than me, and fair play to you, because you have the time. It's not about me not wanting to get out or whatever, it's just the time. It's the time to get out, you know, with work and kids and my own commitments as well, with training and all that as well. So these are all new things, and we'll find ways to get more bike time. As you can see, when the winter sun comes out, it's absolutely beautiful out. So I was going to go out normal road with in through the city because of the wind is quite sharp and fairly cold as well. But like that, you have the right gear, it's fine. And as well, like I didn't feel like being stuck in traffic. I haven't been out on the bike for a week, so I didn't feel like being in traffic. Oh, that's a nice car in front. That's an old school car right there. But it's not too old school, this is a 02. Still 19 years old, but still it's not as old school as I thought it was when I looked at it first. Lovely to get a stretch on the bike. Lovely jubbly. Have a bit of Michael Kunuku, I hope I said his name right, on the old earphones today. Love music on the bike. I don't know if you like music on the bike, but if you do, what's your favourite type of music to listen to on the bike? Drop it down in the comments, and we shall converse about it. Now I know I don't get a lot of comments or whatever, but you know, don't be shy of putting down the comments. As you can see, all my past videos, I always reply to everybody, have a chat with everybody, and grateful for any interaction, as I enjoy the interaction, number one, and it helps the channel grow. Ivra too. Ivra do, we should say in Irish. Next week I will be going on a Thai run. It's my first ever Thai run, so I'm really looking forward to it. It's with the Saudis bikers charity group. I know we have a Saudis bikers on Facebook, but these guys do the charity runs and that stuff as well, so they don't clash it. They've been talking, I think, but they don't clash. So we're going from the Shanty Bar in Kilmacow from 1 PM Saturday the 11th of December. You don't have to sign up, you just have to turn up, and you can either give a donation or a Thai donation, or you can give both. I'm really looking forward to doing it. You know, there's lots of kids that are not as lucky as their kids or other kids, you know, and they're spending their Christmas in hospital. So the least we can do is do it right for them and raise some money and raise some toys for them to be able to play with, you know. It's the simple things in life. And yeah, we're going to be meeting then for a couple of beers after it, so I look forward to meeting up with a couple of the lads, looking forward to meeting up with a load of the people from Facebook that I always talk to, but I've never got to go on a spin with them yet or anything. So that's something I'm really looking forward to. That should be great cause, and great to meet up with other bikers as well. And I'll be trying to do more of that in the new year. You know, different experiences, new experiences and all that kind of stuff, so happy days. It's great going on your own a good bit at a time, but it's nice to link up with people as well, like-minded people. So I'm looking forward to that, and a few beers after it as well. So we're going from the Shanty Bar in Kilmacow to Graignamanagh, which I've never been to on the bike, so that'll be cool. I've never been on a big charity group ride like that. I've been on the ride with the RC that I was with and all that kind of crack as well, but I've never been on one of these ones, so that'll be great. And then back to the University Hospital Waterford, I think, where they're giving over the donations and the toys, I think, then. So yeah, if you're a biker and you can make it, then fantastic, that would be great. And I look forward to seeing you if you're watching the video and you're going. Say hello. I'll be obviously shooting a video that day and stuff like that as well from the event, and I'll be posting it up on my page the next Wednesday then, so 7 o'clock, you know yourself, you know the drill. So that's the plan of Rooney anyway. Oh my god, it just feels great to be out. I have the right gear on, I'm really warm, don't have the heated grips on yet or anything like that, so I'm really happy now that I have the gear on and that I'm out and about. Oh man, there is nothing like it. Nothing like it. You see, it's an adrenaline rush, isn't it? You know? Back, big boy. I didn't fancy the bang of that. Yeah, so that's the crack now. Whatever weather it's going to be. Oh, there's another charity jumble on the week after up in Freeman Motors. I've done a video from, I'll pop it up on the card there. I've done a video of, I've done a little tour of the shop in Clonmel of all their gear and all that kind of stuff. So have a look at that video if you're looking for gear for yourself for Christmas or for somebody else or any time of the year. The guys are great up there. Really sound and really nice gear up there actually. When I go up there I'm going to buy a bit of gear for myself. Some nice t-shirts, some nice casual stuff as well, you know. So that's on the 18th. That's on the 18th of December. It's an auto jumble sale. I'm not sure exactly what that entails, but I go up there and you know it's for charity as well, I believe. So we'll light up the bike, whatever we can put on the bike, and go up there and enjoy it, and again enjoy it with the biking community as well. The biking community does some wonderful charity stuff as well. So if you can support them by going up there, that would be fantastic. And again, if you're going up to that, let me know in the comments, and we'll sync up and say hello and have a cup of tea and a chat and talk shite, and talk bikes and everything in between. So look forward to that as well. So that's basically, you're in around the Christmas time, the charity drives and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully I'll have those videos up for you, and other videos then if I can get out and about a lot more. I will. I prefer talking on the bike when I'm out on the bike, to have the mic set up and stuff like that, but sometimes I want to try out new views as you've seen in some of the previous videos. but I'd rather talk live when we're out on the bike. I feel a bit more confident on it, I suppose. It's easier to talk when you're out on the bike, I think, than narrate from home. Narrate, who do I think I'm? David Attenborough. Have the heated grips on there now. It is that cold already. And the difference is 2 hours, something like that. Just a report, we got the TV up anyway. So it was a dodgy exercise when you pay a good few hundred for a skinny TV and then putting it up. Yeah. Don't even look, girl. I won't even bother beeping them because they know they were wrong. For sake of going around the corner, look. Armadan, as we say in Irish. Hey. Oh, look at that, that's cool. That's really nice, actually. Nice. 1st of December, the lights are on, baby. That's it for this week's video. Thanks very much for watching. Till next time, Deise Rebel out.